in the gym, who don't let any obstacle get in their way. So here's to those that show up and just do it. Get done every day, and their actions now words prove it. Okay, let's get for hours 48. Let's get ready to make the leg up. Let's get ready. Let's go LA 28. So do you wanna be? Do you wanna be? Yes. Do you wanna be? Yes. Do you wanna be? Yes. Here's to the dedicated, the driven ones who always follow through, the focused, the workers, just doing what they need to do. Here's to those who know what it takes, great sacrifice, to follow dreams, to try to win, and they just go, be great, go 28, go, be great, go 28, go 28. Okay, let's get ready to make it like get ready to show the world. Let's go on the 28. So do you want to be good? Do you want to be good? Do you want to be good?
What you feeling like this?
Do you want to be good? Do you want to be good? Do you want to be great? Go, be great, go to 28. Go, be great, go to 28. Go, be great, go to 28.
Let's set time. Say go LA 28. Say go